Hello and welcome.
In this video, I'll introduce myself, showcase my skills, and explain the services I offer.
My name is Al Mamoon, and I'm a professional Photoshop expert and image editing specialist. I help businesses, photographers, online stores, and brands transform ordinary images into clean, professional, and eye-catching visuals. In today's digital world, high-quality images are extremely important. Whether you are selling products online, promoting your brand, or building a strong visual identity, the quality of your images directly affects how customers see your business. Professional image editing can increase trust, improve presentation, and help your photos stand out in a competitive market. That's where I come in. I provide high-quality, handmade image editing services using Adobe Photoshop, ensuring accurate results and consistent quality across every project. My goal is simple: to help your images look perfect, professional, and ready for your business. Let me briefly introduce the services I provide. I work on model and fashion photo retouching. This includes skin retouching, blemish removal, color adjustments, lighting improvements, and overall enhancement while keeping the natural look of the model. I also provide professional portrait photo retouching. Portrait retouching is all about enhancing a person's appearance while keeping the photo natural and realistic. I carefully remove blemishes, acne, wrinkles, and skin imperfections while preserving natural skin texture. I also improve lighting, adjust skin tones. Let's talk about the benefits of professional image editing. High-quality images increase customer trust and make your brand look more professional. Clean product photos help customers clearly understand what they are buying. This often leads to higher engagement, better product presentation, and improved sales. Well, you may be wondering, why should you choose me? First, I focus on 100% handmade editing. I do not rely on automated tools or shortcuts. Every image is carefully edited to ensure clean edges, accurate details, and high-quality results. Second, I prioritize quality and consistency. Whether you have one image or thousands, I make sure every photo matches the same professional standard. Third, I offer fast and reliable delivery. I understand that deadlines are important, especially for businesses preparing product launches or marketing campaigns. Fourth, I believe in clear communication and client satisfaction. I always listen carefully to your requirements and make sure the final result matches your expectations. And finally, I aim to build long-term working relationships with my clients. Many businesses need ongoing image editing support, and I'm here to be a reliable partner for your projects. So, whether you are an e-commerce business owner, photographer, marketing agency, or brand, I'm here to help you create professional images. Another important service I provide is ghost mannequin editing, also known as invisible mannequin editing. This service is widely used by clothing brands and fashion stores. When clothes are photographed on a mannequin, the mannequin can be distracting. Another important service is shadow creation and reflections effects. Natural shadows, drop shadows, and reflections help product images look more realistic and professional, especially for e-commerce websites. Background removal and clipping path services. This is one of the most important services for e-commerce businesses. I carefully remove backgrounds from product images and create clean, precise cutouts with smooth edges. Your images can be delivered with a white background, a transparent background, or any custom background required for platforms like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, or websites. Next, I offer product photo retouching and enhancement. This includes cleaning dust, scratches, reflections, and imperfections from product photos. I improve lighting, color, and details to make your products look clear, sharp, and attractive to customers. I provide image resizing, cropping, and formatting for online stores and marketplaces. Many platforms require specific image sizes and formats. I ensure that your images meet those exact requirements while keeping the product centered and visually appealing. In addition, I provide bulk image editing services for companies that need to edit large numbers of images regularly. If you have hundreds or thousands of photos, I can maintain consistent quality across all of them.